In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own KuCoin futures trading bot. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer so you can get free money just by creating a KuCoin account. You just need to create your account with the referral link in the description below, or you can also just paste the referral code at the sign up form, and this way you will enjoy different offers to get free money. As you can see, here are some of the different offers running right now. So there is this welcome bonus blitz where you can get 200 USDT. You also have an airdrop and some cash bonus. You can also scroll down to see more offers. In this case, it says 0 because I already have an account, but if you click the referral link, you will always see some different offers where you can claim free money just by creating your account. Firstly, we need to go to futures trading, so go to trade, and maybe you should find it here, but if it doesn't appear, we need to enable futures trading first, so go to markets and then futures, and you should find this option to enable futures trading. So click here. And now we are at the futures trading page. So to use the bots, just click bot right here at the right and select any category you want. So for example, let's say we want to create a spot grid bot. We can click here and you will find the different bots that are already created by the community, or you can click create to create your own bot. So once you are here, you can start creating your bot. You can set an auto or custom one in case you need something very specific, and you also have some advanced settings in case you need them. So that's it. Right here you can start creating your bots for future trading. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.